everyone, it's Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments offered through LPL Financial. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I would like to start with the quote of the week. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Are you changing jobs or retiring? Your retirement plan may offer you several options for managing your assets when you change jobs or retire. I will explain these options in order to help you narrow down your choices. The options I will discuss may be available to you. Note that these selections apply to your contributions, the vested portion of your employer's contribution, if any, and their earnings attributed to both. The first option is keep your money in the plan. You may be able to leave your savings in your employer's retirement savings plan. Usually, annual required minimum distributions must begin after you reach age 70 and a half. Although you could no longer make contributions, you can still control how money is invested. The second option is you can roll your money over to another retirement account. You may move your money into an individual retirement account, IRA, or if you are changing jobs, into your new employer's retirement plan if permitted by your new employer. With the direct rollover, the money goes directly from your former employer's retirement plan to an IRA or to your new plan. You never touch the money. This option also allows you to continue deferring taxes. If you touch the money, you may be subject to a 10% additional tax. Withdrawals will be taxed at current rates. Withdrawals prior to age 59 and a half are subject to an additional 10% federal tax. The third option is you can take a cash distribution. You can choose to have your money paid directly to you in a lump sum or installments if you are retiring. However, you will be subject to income taxes, and if you are younger than 59 and a half, 10% additional tax. In addition, your employer will withhold 20% of your distribution to put towards your federal income tax obligation. Therefore, if you are under age 59 and a half, the amount you received will be much less than you expect, avoiding an immediate tax bite. If you receive a distribution, you can avoid an immediate income tax bite and the penalty if you roll over the entire amount into an IRA or a qualified employer plan within 60 days. Think carefully before making any decisions about your money and your retirement plan. It may also be a good idea to discuss your options with a tax advisor. That's all for today. I hope you found this information helpful. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I am more than happy to assist you. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day.